namaste, welcome back to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. Okay, so if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel by subscribing, by liking, by commenting. So whenever you subscribe my channel, please press on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload. So whoever have supported me, my channel by subscribing, liking, thank you so very much for everything, for all the support, guys. Means a lot, from really means a lot, guys. Okay, so in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay, so today's pick a card reading is about your messages from your ancestors. So what your ancestors wants you to know right now, so that kind of message will be for today. Okay, remember these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. So yeah, so I have three groups over here. For the first group I have this lapis lazuli crystal. For group number 2, this amethyst. And for group number 3, I have this selenite. So close, relax. Okay, so I'm just gonna play this. So let's see. So just close your eyes, relax. Okay, so just listen to the sound and just select a pile that calls to you. Okay. So take your time. If you want more time, please pause the video and take your time and then select a pile. Okay, so the timestamps will be listed in the description box. So I'm going to go with group number 1. Hello group number 1, if you chose this lapis lazuli, then this is your reading with me. So let's see what are the messages from your ancestors, what your ancestors wants you to know right now. So the first message what I'm getting is like about throat chakra, something about throat chakra. So maybe you need to drink more water, or if you're singers or something like that, just you know uh, drink warm water. I'm getting that, ancestors are telling you to take care of your throat, like drinking warm water, taking care of your throat. That is what I feel like. And with this blue color, a lot of clarity you will get. Okay, your ancestors are saying if you don't have clarity right now in your life, you will get clarity. Don't be worried. Okay, don't be worried about anything. Your ancestors are assuring you it's you will get the clarity. Okay, they are like, yeah, you will get it. Okay, right now what you need to do is like you need to communicate your thoughts, your ideas. So for some of you it's like you're receiving a lot of messages but you're not taking note on that. So don't silence your inner yeah, your inner guidance. Okay, so that is what is very important. So take that ideas, take that thoughts, and sometimes we get signs and we just ignore it. So if you see something repeatedly, or if you're seeing repeated numbers, so just google it, so maybe you will get your message there. So don't that is the way I feel like your ancestors are communicating with, like if you're seeing a lot of blue color or something like that, that is a message for you guys. But definitely you need to focus on your throat chakra and your heart also. I'm getting these two, like heart chakra and throat chakra should be your main focus. Maybe for some of you, you have closed your heart, maybe because of the past experiences you had in your life. I feel your ancestors are saying that that is going to go. Okay, so that is what I feel like. Okay, so let's start with the cards. So yeah, we got this Bhadrakali over here, and this is like this is the gentle form of Kali. So she is very calm, she is very she's a wish fulfilling Kali Ma. Okay, we can say that. So she's not a fierce. Okay, so it's I feel for many of you it's like if you have been overthinking, or if you have been going through a lot of negative experiences, now it's time for more positive experiences. Like it's now time for happiness, for calmness. Like for some of you, I even feel, because she's like wish fulfilling Kali, so I feel like maybe some of your wishes might also be granted for you guys. Okay, so this Kalima is here to say that really it's time to listen to your inner wisdom. That is very much important. And this Kalima is saying that you have the you can transform any negative experiences into positive ones. You have that wisdom in your heart. You are so wise people. That is what Kalima is saying right now. So if you have been self sabotaging yourself right now, if you have been doing that, sometimes we get in our way, we sabotage things, like we don't listen to our body, we don't listen to our inner guidance, and we don't take action at that time. So I feel like this pattern of yours is going to break away. That is what your ancestors are helping you with. I feel like that. So like I feel for many of you in this group, like you will see more happiness coming your way, because you will be very strong. You're going to be very strong people. You're not taking any, there will be naysayers. You're like, yeah, there will be naysayers and I don't care. You're going in that mentality where you don't care about other people who wants, like who are not doing any good to you, right? You are just I feel for many of you, you will be like letting go of many people in your life, so that you can have you can move forward in your journey. Because whatever you want to do in your life, there are people who come and give you that negativity, and now you are like, in the past I feel you used to take that negativity, and because of that you used to self sabotage yourself. Like you start, for example, you plan to do something and you start an idea, and then you speak to your friends, and your friends like totally discourage you, and you just drop that idea. And even though you feel like you need to do it because others are saying that is not valid or something like that, anything your heart says is valid. That is what I'm getting, the valid, you're valid, okay? So maybe because of that you used to drop that idea, and you used to not go forward with it. And because of that, you maybe for many of you have a pattern of self sabotaging yourself, and that pattern is breaking away. And when that pattern breaks away, we listen more to our wisdom, and we don't listen to more people, we don't listen to the people who discourage us. So this is what is happening for you guys. Your ancestors are helping with you with that. So a lot of growth I'm getting, okay? And a lot of happiness is coming, a lot of peaceful times are coming. But yeah, at the same time, what I feel is like you are becoming more stronger. You are letting go of that hate, I feel for many of you, you had a lot of anger also. But I feel like this anger, sometimes anger is also important. Anger is not a bad thing, right? It's an emotion, because sometimes we feel that we are not getting the things we want in our life, and we get angry because we're seeing we have been working hard, putting our full efforts, and others are like easily getting the things and we are not getting. And sometimes we get angry, sometimes we feel like why. And it's okay to be angry, but that doesn't mean that you have to go and shout and yell and do something that is not good for you. It's time to sit with that anger and ask yourself why I'm feeling this emotion, and you will get your answers. That is what is your ancestors wants you to know, that when you sit with yourself, when you calm your mind, when you sit in this peaceful energy, just lighting a candle, calling upon your ancestors, you will get your answers. That is what Bhadrakali is coming. So here, and look, we have the number 14, right? And we have 1 plus 4 is 5. Things are changing for you guys. You're going to be I feel for this pile, yes, more positive experiences are coming up. The reason why more positive experiences are going to come up, because you are not going to take other people's crap. I mean, I have to say that, because yes, that is what I feel like. If someone is trying to, like, if you wore a dress and people are like, oh, so, other people are saying yes, it's good, and there will be one friend that will say like, yeah, it doesn't suit on you, and you will be like, in the past you would get irritated, you would get angry. Now you're like, okay, you don't like it, it's your energy, I like it, I'm comfortable in this dress, so yeah, I will wear it. You are going to be very confident. That is what I feel like. You're not taking that. When we take it, that is the problem. That we get it in our heart, right? And that's the problem for many of us. We take other people's emotions, and that is not even ours. So I feel like you are making a boundary, and that is good. And keep a boundary, okay? You don't have to take everyone's, you can't take everyone's emotions. Sometimes it's not even ours. Sometimes we get up and we see something, and because of other people we feel shit about ourselves, and just let go of them. That is what you're doing, I feel, right? That is what your ancestors wants you to know, that it's time to work with yourself, it's time to get inside, and yeah, more happiness, more calmness, more success. I feel for many of you, you might get some of your wish fulfilled if you believe in it, and if you work for it. Definitely more calmness is coming, okay, more positive experiences. Be ready for that, okay. So yeah, let's see what else. Yeah, okay, we have the sacred self. Unleash your spirit, express your gifts, dance to the sacred rhythm of life. As I said, it's, when as I said, you had some ideas and maybe you used to tell others, and because of others people opinion, you used to drop that idea. Now it's time to do something for yourself. It's time to listen to that inner guidance. It's time to do something you always wanted to do. Maybe it's an childhood hobby that you always wanted to do, or maybe something that is not, not so like 9 to 5 job, or maybe something different you wanted to do, or maybe you just want to plant, or you wanted to do a farming or something. Whatever you wanted to do, just go ahead with it. That is what is your messages from your ancestors. And when you start doing that, you will be taken care of. You will be given, the opportunities that you want, right? So so that is what important. So just express yourself, and look, express your gifts. And I was talking about this throat chakra. You have, like, I feel like you don't express yourself, you don't express your truth, okay. So for some of you, I even feel like that you have problems saying no. So it's okay to say no. If you don't want to do something, don't force yourself to say don't force yourself. Like, if you don't want to go to a function or something like that, just say no. If you don't feel like it, don't do it. Sometimes it's important to listen to ourselves also. Like, for some of you, it's like you are being like, the society is saying this, do that, get married at age this, you have to do this, you have to do, and you're like, oh, I have to do this, I have to do this. At the same time, you don't want to do this. So it's okay if you don't want to do this, okay. Just take your time, breathe a little. Like, right now I feel you need to, like, take a deep breath and just relax. Right now everything is okay. Just express yourself. Don't be afraid to express yourself. In relationship also, don't be afraid to express yourself. When we don't express ourselves, that is when we, like, feel suffocated. I feel like that, that is what I feel like. And sometimes we become, we sabotage our happiness. I feel like that, because we feel so restricted in our head. So get out of your head, listen to your inner wisdom, and express yourself. Whatever gifts you have, express it, and dance, and you connect with your universe, connect with your spirit guides, connect with your ancestors. Just, if you can meditate, if you like meditation, meditate. If you don't like, just listen to songs, listen to something that makes you motivated. Just go out, have fun, and connect with the people you vibe with. Don't go, if you have some friends and you actually don't like going, but for the sake of going it, you go and sit there. Don't do that. It's okay. Don't, you are valid the way you are, okay. I am getting this word valid, why, I don't know. Okay, so let's see. Interesting, you got the 14 number again. Look at that, 14 to, we have this 14 number again, okay. 14, maybe 14 is important to you. And 1 plus 4, again 5. I told you, a lot of changes are coming, a lot of positive experiences are coming. I feel for this pal, you have gone through a lot of negative experience, and so you're like, whatever I do, at last it will be a negative experience. No, just change that mentality, because now you are going to a more peaceful, I feel, yeah, you're going to more of a peaceful life, where there will be not too much of conflict, okay. That is what I feel like, okay. So yeah, clan of the wolf heart, we are the ones we have been waiting for. It's like about, this card is also speaking about listening to your inner guidance. Look, we have this, I feel like, we have the lotus. It's about the spirituality, you listening to, focusing your own spirituality, focusing on yourself, focusing, it's time to focus on yourself, focus on nurturing yourself, doing something that you like, okay, doing, taking a course that you always wanted to take. Like, if you wanted to learn dancing, go, like, just do that. If you want to, if you want to meet people, if you want, like, I feel like if you wanted to join some online community, just go and do it, okay, because there is where your soul tribe is, okay. If you wanted to buy these crystals, go. If you wanted to buy a tarot deck, go. If you wanted to buy a good dress, go do it. Okay, something something that your heart always wanted to do, right? And look at the rainbows. Yes, they are going to be rainbows. You have gone through a lot. I feel for this pile, you have gone through a lot of negative experiences in your life, in your childhood. Maybe there were people who used to make, you like you woke up in a good mood, and then there will be people who will change your mood completely, and you will get so angry, and your day will be like because of other people your day will be gone. And what happens is that you don't have to take that, that is what I feel like you're learning. That is what Kali Ma, Bhadrakali is all making you learn, that that is not your emotion. You don't have to take other people emotions negative. You are now, what you're going to do is you're taking that negative experiences and transforming into a positive experience. Like you are like just letting go of that negativity and sit. You're healing. I feel for many of you, you're healing that. You're understanding that it's not your problem, it's their problem. And because of that, I feel you're getting more stronger. And yes, you know who you are, and when we know who we are, we don't care what other people says, right? That is what I feel like. Lot of empowerment feeling, like you're going to be your own boss. You're going to make your own decisions. You're not gonna be you will not rely on anyone else for whatever it is, like emotions wise or finances wise. You will make your own path. I feel like the wolf, you're going to know where you want to do. You will not be afraid of the unknown territory anymore. I feel like that. Like you're going to be very very connected to the spirit. So if you're not feeling that right now, I feel your ancestors are saying that is the path you're going. So right now, just listen to your inner guidance, okay? Look, we have Queen of Wands and Three of Wands. Okay, so wand energy, all of fire energy. Like you have so much of passion, you have so much of fire inside of you. You're very courageous people. Your inner strength is immense. You just don't know how courageous you are. I feel like that. You have that passion also. Just go with your passion. You can make your dreams a reality. With this wishfulling Kalima also, I feel like you can make your dreams a reality if you stand. If you stand for yourself, if you keep focusing on your work, and you're like, no one can take that from me, and just move forward with your path, you will get a lot of success. That is what I feel. You're courageous within yourself. I'm getting chills all over my body, as I was saying. Like you have that courage, you have that inner strength. Yes, you have the fire, you have some passion. Go for it, do it, because you will be independent. Because Queen of Wands is so independent. She knows where she stands, who she is. She is so proud of herself, and she is so independent. And this is what you're going to become. You're going to become that independent person, right? But your spirit guides, your angels, your ancestors are saying, like, be patient, enjoy small successes also in your life. So when you yeah, sometimes we don't enjoy the small parts of our life. So if you enjoy that also, and plan for future, work on it, you will get there. You will be the independent soul you want to be. You will have the freedom. Okay, you will have the freedom you want. You will have the independence you want, and you will be making your own decisions, and that will be very successful also. I feel like that. So for this pile, I feel like if you are already spiritual, that's very good. You can, if you meditate, it will be very good for you guys. So if you can incorporate some of the spiritual practices, that will be very beneficial for you guys. I feel like that. Okay. Yeah, spend some quality time in nature. That is also I'm getting. When we, sometimes you have problem, you are not able to listen to your inner guidance, because sometimes we overthink about things. Maybe you would overthink because of your work, or because of other people, or in a relationship also. You're like, if I do this, what will they say? If I do that, what will they, that kind of energy. You need to let go of that and sit with yourself, listen to your own wisdom. For some of you, I feel like now you don't care what others say, but for others, I feel like there are people in this pile also, like now also you care what other people say. So that's why Bhadrakali is saying that you don't have to take that negative energy, okay? Because you are meant to be the Queen of Wands. You are meant to be empowered. You're meant to be the boss, right? You're not meant to be the like the person who is working under someone. I feel like you will create your own legacy, something like that. Your ancestors are saying you're the lion, you're the king of the jungle. That is all I'm getting here for this pile. Is like you have that much inner courage, okay, to make things happen for yourself. But many of you haven't. I feel like for this while you haven't recognized yourself. So you need to recognize your own worth. You need to connect with yourself and do things your way. Do things your own way. I feel like that. If you have this passion, go for it, okay? Lot of anyways, whatever it is, I feel for you guys, your ancestors are assuring you that lot of happiness, lot of peace, lot of calmness is coming your way, okay? And you will not be like uh, affected by other people's negativity. That is what I feel for you guys, okay? And work on your throat chakra and heart chakra, like, because it's time to receive the blessings. If you haven't planting the seeds, if you haven't working hard on something, yes, it's time to receive. So work on your throat, heart chakra, meditate if possible. Otherwise, if you don't like, just get into nature, have some fun. If you have children around, play with them, lighten up your energy. Enjoy time with the people you love. Don't go there where you don't like it. Sometimes we cannot, if you work in office area or something like that, but you can, you can energetically disconnect with them, right? You don't have to take that emotions. You can do that, okay? Just protect yourself, sage yourself, chant mantra if possible, if you like it, okay? So that's all for group number 1. Bye bye, take care. Group number 2, if you chose this amethyst crystal, so let's see what your ancestors message is for you guys at this point of time, okay? So for this pile, I feel you need to focus more on your root chakra and your solar plexus, like the big, the first 3 chakras, like root chakra, sacral chakra, and solar plexus chakra. I feel like these three chakras are very a little bit imbalanced, or maybe you need to work on these 3 chakras. Maybe sometimes you question yourself, you trust your spiritual guidance, but at the same time sometimes you self doubt yourself, or maybe because of past limitations or something like that. I feel for this pile, sometimes you trust, your inner guidance is strong and clear, that, but at the same time sometimes you don't have that faith, okay? So while shuffling, I was getting this handshake for you guys. So maybe for some of you are meeting new people, so your ancestors are telling you that, oh yeah, you will be meeting new people, new environment. For some of you, maybe you will be changing jobs, or maybe meeting new people, something like that. Maybe relationship wise changes are going to be there. Maybe you will be getting completely into new environment. For some of you, definitely I see change, okay? So let's see. Okay, so the first card over here is Yoga Shakti, and look, she's the fierce nature, right? That is what, like, a lot of changes are happening for you guys. I feel like, so don't be afraid, it's time to have faith, okay? And with this tongue, the tongue, your speech is very important. So what you think is very important, so what you say is very important. So always be positive about it. Whenever you say something, give that positivity to the universe, so you can receive it back. I'm feeling like that. So it's time to, for some of you, I feel like things are not working for you at that time, or you're questioning that why things are not working for me, why I started this something. For some of you, you started something and things are not so good at right now, and you're like questioning, when will things improve, when will I have that growth, when I'm gonna move forward in my life. So for this card, what is coming is everything is going to happen at the divine timing, when you will be able to receive it. You will receive it, of course you will receive it. Right now you have to have faith. That is what, it's not the time right now, it's not the time. That is what I feel like, okay? It's not the time right now. Everything is going to happen at the divine timing. So don't focus on the timing right now. What you have to do is you need to keep on working on yourself. You need to keep on focusing yourself, focus on self-love, focus on the thoughts you have, focus on your manifestations, keep on working. Don't think about the time, okay? So that is the, because sometimes you need to learn some certain lessons. Life is not going to be easy, for sure. We know that, right? We have humps literally in roads also, we have humps, right? So we need to slow down sometimes in life. We need to slow down, and I feel for many of it's the time for that. Maybe you had some sort of success, now you're moving forward and you're seeing like things are not moving the way you wanted, or you're not getting the momentum you wanted. maybe you wanted the things to progress more, but it's not progressing the way you wanted. So maybe you're feeling stuck right now, or maybe you're feeling why this is happening, why I'm not moving forward, when will when will you will, okay, you will, that's the first thing, you will. So right now focus on your manifestation, don't focus on the timing, don't ask like when this will happen. And because when we put that energy on that, we get stressed about when. So instead of when, just what I can do to improve my situation and work on that. Okay, that is what you need to do. So connect with yourself and ask your ancestors, what can I do so the situation can be improved, or what are the things I need to I need to change in my life in order to do so. Sometimes we need to make some changes. Maybe you have to learn some lessons, right? So I feel for this pile, it's like nothing is gonna go anywhere. You will you will reach where you want to reach. But right now I feel for some of you, you have to learn some lessons. Maybe for some of you need to learn patience, some of the lessons that our ancestors wants us to learn, or our spirit guides wants us to learn. So definitely you have to learn certain lessons. Okay, yeah, that is what I feel with Yoga Shakti. But definitely speech wise, okay, maybe for some of you voice is also important. Maybe you will teach other people something. Maybe I feel like you're very good advisors, at the same time you don't follow the advice, so it's time to follow your own advice maybe. I don't know why I got that, but definitely your inner, yeah, with this amethyst also I feel like your inner guidance is going to be very loud and clear. And look at the colors again, I told you this yellow color and the red color, your base chakra, your solar plexus chakra is going to be very important. And again we have this red, yeah, I feel for many of you, you will balance your root chakra also. And when we balance the root chakra, things happen, we trust relationship, money wise. For if you're struggling, if you're thinking about your money situation, I feel like your ancestors are saying nothing is going to, nothing is going to be wrong. You just need to balance your energies. Maybe for some of you, you are over stressing about things, whether this thing will not happen, whether I'll not make it. You have the number 13, and 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 is all about stability, foundations. Right now for some of you, you are building your foundation. So sometimes it will feel like that you have to work hard, and you feel like that you're not getting the rewards that you want, right? So that doesn't mean things are going to be any, things are not going anywhere, you're not taking the wrong turn, okay? But sometimes we have to learn the lessons, okay? So don't doubt your path. Right now it's like with this card, I feel, look, what must be shall be. What is yours. Nothing is going to go anywhere, okay? You will have that financial freedom, you will have that independence, you will have that relationship, you will have the job, whatever you want. You will progress in your life, you will see growth also, you will see that growth for some of you. But you need to learn certain lessons, you need to spiritually grow. Sometimes it's hard. I feel like for many of you, you are struggling a little bit right now. You're not sure whether this thing you have started will go or pan out, whether you will get the success, whether you will get the victory. And because of that, you're stressing, you are very conflicted. I feel like, with this, like I'm literally, I feel like, over stressing about things. Some days you will be like, yeah, okay, I'm going this, I'm okay, I will make it happen, I will just work, I will not stress. And the next day you will stress, because when you don't see the progress, you stress. Maybe this is your energy or anything, you have faith one time, and then the next day you don't have, and then the next day you will have. Like it's like a very back and forth energy I'm feeling. So it's like you need to trust. With this 7 number is also a very spiritual number, and it's a lucky number. You are lucky people. But right now, yes, right now you're going through some kind of things. Yes, we have to learn certain lessons, and your ancestors are saying, so be peaceful, be calm right now. You don't have to your train is not going away. That is what I feel like. You will get your train, you will get into your train. You don't have to rush, you don't have to run, just be calm and work, you will get your train. That is what I feel like. What must be shall be. What is yours. Nothing is going anywhere. Have faith, but it's just a matter of timing. So the time, sometimes we feel like that at this time I want this, but it's not. The universe wants something else, right? Maybe for some of you, I feel like what you're expecting right now, you will be getting something more better than that, okay? So maybe you need, sometimes things happen at the correct timing. So be patient, guys, be patient. Everything is manifesting for you. And your speech, be always speak positively. Don't don't speak negatively. That is very important right now. So yeah, that is, your speech is very important, so be clear with that. Okay, look, again we have the red color. Look at that. Look at your cards. We have this red over here, we have this red over here, we have this red over here, right? So yeah, your root chakra is the main focus. So focus on your root chakra. I feel like for many of you, you have, like, you need to trust. You need to, for right now, your angels, your spirit guides, your archangels, your ancestors are all telling you everything is manifesting for you. You are at the correct time, but you have to learn certain lessons. So it's little bit dragging. It's feeling like you're not moving forward. Yeah, they know it. They are listening to your prayers. So be faithful right now. Be, trust. Complete trust is what, it's like, I feel like this is what your ancestors are, testing you for. Your faith, your patience. Maybe you need to learn that. So maybe you have been very patient, but yeah, you have to learn it more, maybe, because in the future you will be teaching that to other people, right? So yeah, so maybe you have, sometimes when we teach certain things to other people, we need to experience that, right? So you're meant to experience this. Maybe this is a life lesson. So for many of you, I feel like this is a life lesson. So don't worry, don't get disheartened when you don't get that goal of yours, or whatever it is, whatever outcome, if you have expected, if it doesn't pan out the way you wanted, don't get disheartened, because everything is working in your favor. Maybe right now you don't feel like it, but in the future definitely it will be the you will be very, very happy by the way it will all turn out. That is what I feel like completely. Okay, so yeah, Archangel Michael, trusting heaven, you are safe. Angels, stand close, surrender your concerns, and allow miracle to occur. So yeah, surrender everything, surrender. Have faith, because miracles are gonna occur, and Archangel Michael is with you. He is protecting you, and he is protecting your stability, right? Maybe for some of you it's your finances, it's your career, it's your relationship, whatever it is, they are protecting you, they are guiding you. All you need to do right now is have faith. Okay, yeah, it's not easy, sometimes when things go wrong, it's not easy, but right now this is the message you receive right now. And this is if you are feeling like that, if you're struggling like that, if you are going back and forth, if you feel like things are not manifesting for you, if you feel like what I'm doing, will this even happen for me, if you're thinking like that, don't think like that. Be positive and be certain. You just say that I'm certain that my wish will be granted, or you say like I'm certain that my wish will be I'll be successful, like I'm certain I'm successful, something like that. Say that positive affirmations. And I'm certain I'm stable, I'm certain I'm financially abundant, I'm certain I'm financially independent. So whatever that affirmations are, just go for it and say it, or write it down. Okay, before you go to the bed, write it down, focus on that only. Change your energy right now, so things are going to transform for you guys, surely. Okay, yeah, for a lot of you, I see a lot of changes are coming your way. Maybe the way you lived in the past, that is going to change. For many of you, this is a message that you need to let go of your past completely. Maybe in the past you have failed, and because of that you're doubting right now. So you don't have to doubt, nothing is going to be wrong. Trust and have faith in yourself and in the universe, in the angels, in your ancestors. They are with you, they're giving you signs. You will reach there. Okay, don't worry about anything. That's it. Okay, we have death. Yeah, of course, a lot of transformation. For some of you, it's like spiritually you're awakening something. So it's for some of you, yeah, you are going through some emotionally, you are going through with this death card. Yeah, look, we have 8 of Swords. Yeah, this is your, but I feel this 8 of Swords energy will be ending. Okay, so your spirit guys are saying, yeah, things are going to change for you guys. With this death card, is like new beginnings, new start, new chapter of your life. Yeah, complete transformation is going to happen. So what you need to do right now is to release your past completely, because your past is not going in your future. And so anything that is not good for you, and that was not any limited belief, anything about yourself that is like restricting you, you need to let go of it. Okay, that is what you need to do right now, and everything will pan out nicely for you guys, because there is an end of your one chapter of your life is ended. Now it's like this next chapter of your life where you will be very, very, very successful. where you'll be very victorious, where people will be following you. Maybe you will be teaching something to other people, you will be having followers, you will be building a community. Maybe for some of you will be recognized for your work, you will be rewarded for your work. So whatever it is right now is all in your head, okay? You're doubting yourself, maybe you're feeling like you will not be victorious, maybe you're feeling because the things where the things are right now. I feel like that, I feel for you guys, okay? Sometimes we don't know where we are going and it's difficult to have faith, okay? But your spirit guides, your ancestors are telling you, you need to have faith right now. All you need to get out of your head. Don't feel restricted, because victory is yours. With the Six of Wands energy, victory is yours. You're following, for if you are in any platform, your following will increase. You will get that recognition you deserve, you will get the victory you deserve, okay? So all you need to do right now is trust, guys, trust, because yeah, no one is going, this is your destiny is to be successful. That is what I feel like. For many of you, I feel like you're aligning with your life purpose, okay? So sometimes things might seem hard, sometimes things seem tough, but that doesn't mean that you will not reach it. So take this time, have fun, enjoy life, keep on doing the work you're doing, and believe in yourself and your ancestors. That is all they want you to know right now, okay? That's it for group number 2. Bye bye, take care. Hello, group number 3. If you chose the selenite crystal, I feel for this pile, you are protected, guys. You are protected. That is what I feel like. You are protected, and your crown chakra is very much of importance. So for many of you, you are not trusting yourself right now, or you're not trusting the inner guidance you have, because I feel yeah, the card you got is Nitya Kali, and with this card I feel for some of you have encountered some sort of loss, something like that, or maybe a disappointment. Maybe things are not happening for you guys right now, some emotional loss, maybe you lost someone, or maybe lost a job or relationship, something that is like, maybe for many of you, I feel like you're in a dark period. And this, what this card is saying is that right now nothing much is happening, right? Yeah, you're feeling like you're not going anywhere, you're not moving anywhere, and it's time to let go, okay? It's time to let go. This is the thing, letting go. And when we let go, that is when we move to the next chapter of our life, right? So for many of you, yeah, a loss has happened, you have lost something. It's the time of deep soul healing for you guys. So you don't have to hurry anything right now, you don't have to control anything right now. So maybe for this pile, you have been always on this masculine side, right? You have been working all the time, doing your work. You have never, like, you're I feel for many of you, you never trusted your divine feminine. Like, yeah, I feel like it's time to trust your divine feminine. So what I'm saying is, like, you're like these kind of people who believe that if you do some work, you will get it, otherwise you will not get it. You have to work, and then only you will get it. So for many of you right now, your message from your ancestors is that right now you need to take a break, you need to take a rest, okay? So let your be in this divine feminine energy of receiving, right? So that is what is important. Get in touch with your own guidance, with your own inner guidance. Trusting your intuition, like letting go of the things right now. For what you need to do is to let go of the past, let go of the losses. You can take your time. Sometimes we need more time. When we are recovering from something, we need time. Take it, feel that emotions, but don't get too much occupied in that, okay? So that is what this Nitya Kali is saying. She is helping you in this process where you are feeling very lost. For many of you, you're feeling very lost right now. You don't know where to go, or maybe you're not moving forward, you're feeling stuck, you're feeling so disappointed about life. Maybe your situation is like financial losses, or maybe you lost something. But right now, what I feel like, it's the time to let go of that and move into the next chapter of your life, and focus on your divine feminine, focus on your intuition, focus on your spirituality. Connect with yourself. First, many of you, I feel like you need to get into deep meditations. Your crown chakra, for many of you, I feel like your crown chakra is blocked, where you're not receiving anything, because you don't trust yourself, you don't trust the universe, I feel like. So it's time to trust that. It's like, I feel for many, I feel for some of you, you even lost a loved one, and because of that you're feeling very lost, you don't know what to do next, or so it's time, you take your time to heal that, and then let go and move forward. Because yeah, sometimes after loss comes the abundance, right? After the storm, after the storm comes the rainbow. That is what I feel like for many of you are going through that storm. Now next is what is like rainbows. Yeah, you will get that abundance. Right now, yes, you are feeling that loss, lot of loss, lot of like, you are feeling not good, the emotional loss. It can be anything, it can be, but you're going through that loss period. But right now you need to let go of that past slowly. There is no hurry, you take your time, connect with yourself, feel that emotions, and but don't suppress that. Yeah, that is also coming. Don't suppress your emotion. If you want to cry, cry. If you want to scream, scream. Let it out. And most importantly, right now, your ancestors are saying you to connect with them, listen to your inner guidance, to listen to your own soul. Okay, and when you do that, this period, when we let go, we will move into a period of happiness, right? Of manifestations, like where you will be manifesting things, abundance, right? Okay, so that is what I feel for this file. Yeah, you are going through a, you will, this thing will change. Okay, you're going through some changes in your life. And interestingly, what number 330, right? 3 is about connecting with your divine. It's also about growth, it's also about connecting with our own consciousness. So yeah, it's time to do that, connect. You have been working, you have been doing the work. Right now it's time to stay still, connect with yourself, connect with your divine feminine. That is what I feel like. Okay, yeah, things will be aligning for you guys. Okay, you will, yeah. So with this sweet uh, paradox of empowering grace, paradox of empowering grace, and we have this hummingbird is very joy bringer, right? She brings joy, happiness. When the spirit animal comes, it's all about bringing joy, happiness into our life. So yeah, you will bring that joy and happiness into your life. But right now you need to let go of the past, you need to let go of sometimes we need to we need to know that emotions, when we go through loss, that's an emotion, we have to experience that. So don't be afraid to experience that emotions. Don't suppress, let it out. That is what. And let go of all those things, let go of people who are not good for us, let go of that emotion that is not good for us, let go of that limited belief that is not good for us. Because yes, now you have encountered a period of loss. Now in the future, you are a period of changes happening, where you will get your manifestations, where you will get your rewards. So right now, yeah, right now it's slow, things are not moving. Sit with it, because in the future things will change. Okay, and be just have faith, and hey, have faith in this divine timing. This group 2 also got that, but it's like a different, everything will happen for you guys. It will be in the divine timing. Just, and everyone goes through losses, so it's okay. Okay, just let go of it. I'm not saying that you don't have to experience that. Sometimes we have to, we have to embrace that emotions. It's okay, it's okay to feel that emotions, but don't get too caught up in it. That is what. But because you are going to have that happiness, miracles, you will see the miracles. Okay, look, you got the Krishna. Okay, wow, that's beautiful, guys. You got yeah, divine healing. Your soul is healing. That is what. For many of you, maybe it can be a health problem also. I feel like that you have been in this dark period. Right now you have been going through a very rough phase in your life, but you are healing, you're having this healing. For some of you it can be like spiritually you are awakening. So you have gone through some emotional pain and something like that. But yes, but you're healing, you're coming out stronger, things are changing for you guys. Take this period to rest, rejuvenate. Okay, cleanse yourself, detox yourself. Okay, that is also I'm getting here. and the abundance is here. Okay, with this green color, look at that, your heart chakra. For some of you need to focus on your heart chakra. Your heart chakra is so close, you need to work on that. Love is the highest frequency, I'm getting that for you guys. And Krishna, connect with Krishna if you can, because he is like, he will give you so much love, right? All you need right now is love. And so love yourself. Okay, self love is very important. And be hopeful. Keep that hope in your heart. That is what I feel like. It's, yeah, things are very not looking good for you guys. There is loss, there is pain, and but be hope, keep that hope alive in your heart, because Krishna is with you. He has seen your struggles. He has seen that you have gone through a lot of pain. But right now, all you need to do is let go of the people. Don't try to control people. Don't try to control a relationship. Be in this divine feminine side where you need to trust your own intuition, trust your own spiritual path, and focus more on the inwards. For this pile, you need to focus more on inwards, on your own healing. You need to focus. Okay, recharge, rejuvenate, take some time out, do something that you like. So that is what right now you have to do. And when you do that, when we feel all that emotions, when we let go, that is when we enter the next stage. And when you enter the next stage, there will be happiness, there will be a lot of manifestations coming for you guys. Okay, so that is what your message. And Krishna is with you, he is guiding you, he is seeing your prayers, he has seen your struggles, and he will show you the way, okay, where you need to go. Okay, so that is what, yeah, look, we have Queen of Cups and the Empress, both the divine feminine you got. That is what I feel like. You right now, you have to sit with yourself, experience that emotions, feel that emotions. If you cry, whatever you want to do, go ahead, do it, and then let go. When we cry, we let go, right? Let the tears fall, and scream, just scream, let that anger go, whatever you have in your heart, let that go. Let go of that people, let go of that emotion, and trust your intuition, trust your inner feeling. And when we love ourselves, when we take care of ourselves, we become strong, we become more confident. And when we take care of ourselves, nothing, when we love ourselves, nothing can take us back. I feel like that when we love ourselves, we become confident. So that is what you need to do right now. Focus on yourself, and you're the Empress, right? So you will reap the rewards, you will get that abundance, you will get that prosperity. Yeah, after the loss comes the, after the rain, that is what I feel like. I'm repeating again, I know. After the storm comes the rainbow. So right, that is what for you guys also. It is coming, the joy is coming, the happiness is coming. Right now, just sit with it, let go of your past, let go of the past experiences, let go of the things that is not serving you, and move. You will be slowly moving towards a period of your manifestations. You will see the growth, you will see the abundance. Okay, and you are healing. For some of you, if your health has been problematic, yes, you're healing from that also. Okay, so that's it for group number 3. Bye bye, take care.